Heap sort sorts an array by treating it as a complete binary tree and building it into a heap. The input list is built into a max heap using the bottom-up method by calling heapify on the subtree rooted at I equal to the index of the parent of the last node down to 0, the index of the root node. After we build the list into a max heap, the maximum value is at the root node, or index 0 of the list. Thus, we swap list 0 with the last element in the list so that the maximum value is at the end of the array. We then call heapify to build the sublist excluding the last element into a max heap. This process is repeated until the entire list is sorted. In the heapify algorithm, we initialize the variable largest to I and compute the indices of the left and right child of the node at index I, respectively. We compare the value of list I to its left child and right child to determine the largest value out of the three, and largest is updated to store the index of the largest value. If the largest value is one of the child nodes, then we swap the node with that child node and call heapify to recursively maintain the max heap property. Here's an example. The array to be sorted is viewed as a complete binary tree. We begin by calling heapify on the subtree rooted at the node with value 2 so that it becomes a max heap. Then we call heapify on the subtree rooted at the node with value 3 so that it also becomes a max heap. We call heapify one more time so that the entire tree is a max heap. The maximum value 7 is at the root node, and we swap it with the last node so that it's at the correct position. Now, we only need to work with the highlighted nodes. Heapify is called so that the highlighted tree becomes a max heap. Now, the second largest value 6 is at the root node. We swap it with the second to last element so that 6 is at the correct position, and it is no longer part of the highlighted tree we still have to deal with. Heapify is called again so that the highlighted tree becomes a max heap. This process is repeated until the entire array is sorted.